What's up, guys? Welcome back to Two Wicked RC. I am out here at my favorite spot on the river this morning. Nice and calm. No wind, no boats, just fishermen. If you guys saw my video a month ago, I was out here with my other catamaran, the Animal, doing a speed run, and it flipped, hit the water right about there. Nose split, sank right to the bottom, went swimming out there, she was gone. So sad, disappointing, the boat fell apart like that. So nice and easy, but you know what? New and exciting news, you guys. I am out here with my new Exocet 125. Look at that thing. She is beautiful, and we're gonna do some crazy, wicked stuff with this, I'm hoping. So let's get her out on the water, see what we can do with her, you guys. This is one strong hull, you know. This thing's pretty nice. I'm excited to see what we can do with her. I did have it out one other time just to make sure there's no leaks, nothing like that. Nothing crazy. But let's see what we can do. Have some fun, right? Track, start, stop, breathe. Track, start. Let's see what we got, you guys. Ooh. Let's let these ripples calm down for a minute. Pretty smooth. Let's give it a minute, do a rip back. Oh, I am shaking, you guys. You know, last time out here doing a speed run with one of these big boats, and you see your boat go up in the air, split in half, and just sink and disappear. It's not a nice feeling. It's not a good feeling at all. So I am definitely shaking out here. But hey, having some fun. That's all that matters. That's all we're doing. That's what she facing. Go down there, let her sit for a minute. I like to try to open it up, see what we can do, you know. Just gonna let it sit. Let's let these ripples calm down. It's a whole new boat for me, you guys. Whole new thing to try out. But I am excited. I think we can go far with this one. Let's give it another minute, let these ripples go out a little bit further. So there's sit one more minute. Apologize for the video, but just want to make it the best, you know. She's moving, she's planted. I'm liking it. Let's go one more, bring it back to us. Check a speed. All right, you guys, let's see what we got. This is gonna be fun. Movement. 119. 119, you guys. It's not bad. I think I hit full throttle for 2 seconds on one of them. So I'm liking it. We're gonna bring her in, check some times, make sure everything's all good. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Right there. She's a beauty. This thing's gonna be fun. Got this, and I got another big fun announcement coming up in about another week or two. Adding another boat to my collection, and yeah, you guys, this is gonna be fun. About another week or so, I think I should have it ready, and we're gonna come out here and have a lot of fun. But this boat, look at that thing sitting there, beautiful. All right, you guys, I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe, comment, share. You guys all have a great day. Peace.